Dr. Spellberg, what about when people say the vaccine was rushed? Listen, we know the technology that allowed this to be expedited has been around for a long time in the works, but people still feel like it's rushed. How do you answer that?
The vaccine did go through very quickly, but it did not go through quickly because safety shortcuts were taken. There was absolutely zero safety shortcuts. All of the normal safety analyses of a vaccine were done. The things that sped this vaccine up were the bureaucratic red tape that anytime a company submits a product to the government for review, normally drags out for 6 to 12 months, was just slashed. That was all eliminated. Number two, normally it takes 6 to 12 months just to do manufacturing for a vaccine, and that doesn't normally start till after you've shown the thing works. A company's not going to spend billions of dollars making something that they don't know works. But in this case, the government said, we will pay your manufacturing costs. We will take that risk. If it doesn't work, we'll lose the money, but we want to speed this up. So that did the manufacturing in parallel, saved another year. And then third, the clinical trials enrolled so quickly. Guess what? We're in the middle of a global pandemic. Everybody was at risk for COVID. Normally, it would take those trials many months, maybe a year, 2 years. They took several months because so many people enrolled so quickly. It is true that often there is longer follow-up for safety, but I will say there are no examples of vaccines on the market right now that have had safety problems a year, 2 years, 3 years after the vaccine was given. Vaccine safety is always related to the doses and a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks after that dose has been given.
Awesome, awesome. Now, Dr. Spellberg, this case has really caught the attention of a lot of people. A Miami obstetrician died of a brain hemorrhage 16 days after receiving the vaccine. Now, the CDC and vaccine maker Pfizer are currently investigating this, and if there's any connection. I have said to people, listen, before you make the assertion that the vaccine caused someone's death, there needs to be a real investigation, because there could be other things, other underlying factors that may have been going on that may have caused it. The second thing I say is, this is one supposedly, not confirmed yet, this is one suspicious case that someone died from it compared to millions who have gotten the vaccine around the world.
This very unfortunate individual died because the level of quote unquote platelets in their blood, these are the small little packets that help your blood clot if there's a cut, started to fall. Now, what we don't know is what were his platelet counts before vaccination. People are saying, well, the vaccine made his platelet count fall. That made him prone to bleeding. He bled into his brain and then had that very unfortunate outcome.